Welcome to Making the Pivot. Today we're breaking down IoT Foundations, what the Internet of Things really means, and how it drives business value for SMBs and enterprises. The Internet of Things connects physical devices to the Internet, enabling sensors, machines, and equipment to share data and interact with systems without human intervention. Patience always the key here. That means a sensor on a truck can report its location in real time, or equipment on a factory floor can alert you before it breaks. For businesses, IoT isn't just about cool tech. It's about real outcomes and actionable data. It gives visibility into operations, tracking assets anywhere in the world. It enables predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and repair costs. And it drives automation and efficiency by linking sensor data to business systems. These capabilities help companies reduce cost, improve safety, scale operations, and make better decisions, whether they're a small retailer or a global manufacturer. Across industries, IoT shows up in powerful ways. Asset tracking. Companies know exactly where shipments and equipment our vehicles are located at all times. Smart facilities. Sensors monitor energy use, security systems, and environmental conditions. Industrial automation. Sensors and controls help streamline production lines and reduce waste. A key piece of any IoT solution is reliable connectivity. That's where advanced global cellular connectivity, or satellite solutions, enable devices to securely connect and scale around the world. Using flexible SIM options, multi-carrier coverage, and unified management tools, that makes it easier to deploy for partners and customers alike. This can be a complex discussion depending on the hardware and the use case, so we can help you with that conversation. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for more strategic insight on the technology shaping your pivot to becoming a technology architect. Next week, I'll go a little deeper on the topic of IoT connectivity. To learn more on this and other topics, be sure to check out my podcast, The Wireless Way, at the link below. These videos will also be on my YouTube channel at Wireless Wit. See you next time.